Hello everybody, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another curated bead box. This is a $20 monthly subscription, and I have a coupon code for you to get 35% off your first box. Use code AGERM35. I'm going to put a link for the curated bead box down there below in the description bar, and I'm also going to put a coupon code down there for you, okay? Again, to get 35% off your first box. So the theme is called Notes of Sepia. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but the color combo is very interesting. Look at this. It actually, to me, it makes me think of tigers and zebras. That's what I think. Okay, that's what I'm thinking. Okay, in case you're new to this box, there is the materials here, the names of them. Here are codes. You can reorder this stuff at dollarbead.com by putting the codes in. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this. And by the way, if you want to know an update about my high blood pressure and all that, I did an update in the dollar bead box in the beginning of that video. I talked about what's going on. Okay, so you can go watch that, and I will put that video up before this one. Close this so I can read the box. And let's see. Oh my. Oh wow. Look at these. Look at these. They're like speckled. Those are cool. I love these. Are these glass? They might be. We'll find out. Oh, look at that one. Oh, there's little note charms. And they're double-sided. That's so cute. Get some clear beads. They're rondelle shapes. I keep wanting to do a project with clear beads that's knotted with cords, so colored cords with clear beads. So fun colors like purple, pink, right, where you could see the cord through the bead. Okay. Wow. Those are huge. Huge cubes. Big holes. Oh my gosh, I didn't see those. That's so cool. Okay. And I love these things. It's a placeholder for a book, so you don't lose your place when you're reading it, okay? A bookmark, that's what it's called. Alrighty. Oh, those are 8. 10, these kind of look like carnelian, but they're glass. And these kind of look like halite, but they're glass. Oh, and what is that? That seems like it's longer than it usually is. Or maybe I'm crazy. Okay. First one. Oh my gosh, there's 4 10mm strands. Look at this. Sometimes they'll give us like, usually it's 2. Sometimes they'll give us 3. But I don't think they've ever given us 4. Okay, the first one. 10mm dark brown crackle glass bead, 8-inch string. That is this one. This is very beautiful. It is very pretty. It's super dark, which I like. I do have brown crackled glass in my stash, but it is very light colored. And this is really dark. It's like root beer dark. It is beautiful. Yeah, super dark. Okay, and then 10mm cinnamon jade style glass bead, 8-inch string. I think that's probably going to be this. I think. It kind of looks like cornelian, doesn't it? And I think this bead is actually milky, like a milky white. And then it's coated. Yeah, see the end there? That's how they get the color. These are nice together. Okay, and then 10mm brown blossom spray glass bead, 6-inch string. That's gonna be this. It's a spray bead. They spray it. This is cute. Actually, this looks like smoky topaz. It looks exactly like smoky, or is it smoky quartz? What the heck's the name? I can't remember the name. It looks exactly like that to me. Is this coated? It is. Okay, so the bead was clear. I'm gonna say, this is so dark. The way it looks almost looks like it's not coated, but it is. Okay, that's pretty. So this one, what is this? It's a 10mm black, I lost it. There it is. Good grief. 10mm black semi-matte glass bead, 6-inch string. I really like this one. It's pretty. I actually just fixed a bracelet for my aunt. She had a bracelet that she got from her job. Somebody gave it to her, and it was it was a stretch bracelet, and it had like the silky elastic, and there was like 4 strands, and like 3 of them were broken, and there was only 1 left to hold on. So I fixed it for her. But it was an 8mm bead, and it was matte like this in glass. It was really pretty. I liked it. And then 8mm Jasper style glass bead, 16-inch string. That's wait, what? 8mm? Oh, this? This is 16 inches? Are you sure? It's kind of getting close to coming off here. Slide these up. Dalmatian. It must be this one. No, that's this. Good grief. That's 6mm. 8mm Jasper style glass bead, 16-inch string. I don't think this is 16 inches. This one is. Yeah, but this one, I would say this is 10 inches. Anyways, look at how different these are. Some of them have like big spots. See, like this one. And that one. Oh, that one's really pretty. Yeah, I've not seen this one yet in this box. I haven't seen it in other colors either, is what I'm saying. That style, I've not seen that one yet. So the next thing is 6mm Dalmatian Jasper style glass bead, 16-inch string. This is definitely 16 inches. Yeah, look at the size. You can see that it's much longer. It looks a lot like Howlite. It's pretty. Okay, and then this one. What is this going to be? 6mm white black gemstone bead. Oh, of course. 7 to 8-inch string. It might be some kind of quartz. It's really cool looking. Look at the black in it. Look at that one. It's a cool bead. I wish they told us what kind of gemstone it is. It's pretty neat. Okay, I like that one a lot. And then 6mm silver iron spacer bead, 40 beads. That's this. So these are iron. Why does it sound weird when I say that? Iron? Iron. There we go. Okay. These do rust if you get them wet. The brass ones are the best. So you gotta be careful that you don't get them wet. So I recommend that you like use them in earrings. Not in a bracelet. Or use them in a necklace. They're really nice looking though. Are they seamless? Ooh, they look like they're seamless. Yeah, I don't see a seam on them. They're pretty nice. Listen to the sound. They make a pretty sound. They look really nice. I don't see a seam on them. Sometimes these beads will have an ugly seam, but I do not see a seam. So I do try to remember, and I'm bad at it, to mark the beads, because like these are iron, so they will rust if you get them wet, but the brass ones don't. And we do get both iron and brass in this box. It seems like actually, it seems like we mostly get brass in this box. Next thing is 10 millimeter black faceted cube glass bead, 12 beads. 12, that's a lot. These here, these are awesome. So I got, was my last box? We got one of those beaded pens in the box. And it had, you know, the metal rod where you slide beads like this onto it. Large hole beads. And I have not got to decorate mine yet. So, they have huge holes. These are also, they have such big holes that you can put them onto cord, leather cord. Wait, 10 millimeter black faceted cube glass bead, 12 beads. I got 8 beads. What the heck? You're trying to trick me. Where'd it go? Right here. 12 beads. I got 8. Okay. Next thing is approximate 1 ounce by 8 millimeter clear pressed glass beads. These, I love these. I think it's these. Yeah. There's a lot in this bag. They're kind of dusty. Yeah. So these are really nice shaped. Almost like they're check. They have rounded holes. There's a lot of them. They kind of look like fish eggs. I like those. After that, .26 by 10 millimeter clef silver metal charm, 14 charms. Okay, and then it says 14 by 8 millimeter music note silver metal charm, 14 charms. So both bags have 14 charms. And then it's the 5-inch etched silver metal bookmark. Alright, so this will see 14 of them in each bag. That's a lot of charms. And they are double-sided. I don't know if this is a clef or what. I don't know. But I can't believe they gave us 14. That's a lot. That's a lot of charms of the same charm. It's quite charming, actually. Okay, and then this baggie here. I like that they're double-sided. It's cool. Okay, and then it's the bookmark, which I have not seen this one yet. This one has flowers and butterflies on it. I have one that has flowers on it, and I have one that is a mermaid. So what I like to do with these is I like to put the person's name on this. You know, the plastic letter beads. I will do their name with other beads with it and gift it to them. That's what I do. Alrighty. And then we have the findings baggie here. In case you're new to this, this comes in every single box. Every box has this. It has head pins, and they're thick gauge head pins. They're not thin, they're really thick ones, so it's like a 20 gauge head pin. And they have big heads too, so like these, a lot of these beads have large holes, so the pin does not go through the bead. Does that make sense? And then there's jump rings, or 6mm lobster claw glass. They have crimp beads, and remember, you always flatten crimp beads. You can't fold them because they will crack on you. And they have a thick 1mm elastic cord. It's pretty good quality. I'd say it's pretty strong. And there's earring hooks, and there's bead stringing wire, and it's like 3 yards, or 3 yards. It's 3 feet. It's like a yard, I would say. And there is also memory wire. Alright, so this is everything that comes in this kit. And remember, I will link the Curated Bead box with the coupon code down there below in the description bar in case you're interested. Alright, so please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos, and follow me on my social media sites. I'm on Instagram, Pinterest, and X. Thanks for watching.